welcome. Today guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you one of my favorite leftover rice dishes. It's a very simple rice dish and my grandmom used to make this to me when I was really small. So this recipe is going to be for pepper rice. Now you can make this as spicy as you want. I'm using a combination of hot peppers and pimento peppers for this. Now I left the seeds in the pepper because I want it to be really spicy, but if you don't want a spicy pepper rice, then you can use a mild pepper or you can use only pimento peppers, and you would want to take the seeds out of the hot pepper or the pimento pepper if you think it's going to be too spicy. So we're going to start with our pot. To a hot pot, you're going to add in some golden ray and some salted butter, and if you didn't have golden ray, then only salted butter would be just fine. And if I didn't mention, I have my heat on medium low for this. So I'm just going to wait for the butter and the golden ray to melt. Okay, once melted, go in with some finely chopped onions. And you can use a red onion or white onion, whichever one you want. And the peppers. Just saute until the onions are very tender. And you don't want the onions to burn, so make sure you have your heat on medium low for this. And you'll notice I'm not going to add any salt. When the dish is finished, then I'll taste, because the salted butter has salt and the golden ray has salt. When the onions are tender, you're going to go in with your rice. Now I'm using day-old white jasmine rice. You can use any type of white rice you like, and I prefer using the jasmine rice for this because it blends really well with the onions. So you're just going to add that to your pot and you're going to mix. So I'm just going to allow this to fry up in here for about 3 minutes because the rice is cold and you want that rice to warm through. After which I'll taste and I'll adjust my salt accordingly. And that's as simple as it is for pepper rice. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for a simple, easy, leftover recipe for pepper rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, and you have memories of your grandparents or parents making this for you, please leave me a comment down below sharing your memories with me. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!